were about EXW, FCA free carrier at place, FOB free on board, FAS free alongside the ship. Our today's video is about CPT. CPT stands for Carriages Paid to Place. CPT is applicable in all modes of transport like air, by rail, by ocean, up to the point of delivery. For ocean transportation, CPT is used for containerized cargoes. In case of bulk cargoes, the Incoterms CFR is used. We will discuss the CFR Incoterms in the next videos. In CPT, seller is responsible for transporting the goods to the named place, but not responsible for insurance. The responsibility of insurance will be done by buyer, and the further activities like unloading and loading at the named place shall be negotiated before the contract. Whether seller will be responsible or buyer will be responsible on the next port. Further, we will take an example: 100 printers that are exported from Beijing City, China to Lahore, Pakistan. The responsibilities from Karachi port to Lahore and further Lahore warehouse in Pakistan will be taken by the buyers. All responsibilities onward this process will be taken by the buyers. Further, seller will be responsible for documentation. He will provide the documentation, and the examples like it how it will be written in the contract. In contract it will be written as in example is shown: 100 printers CPT XY terminal Karachi, Pakistan. We take example and further we discuss the differences. The responsibilities are fulfilled in CPT. In CPT, first responsibility, loading at origin will be done by seller. Carriage to the port of export will be done by seller. Unloading at the port, first port, will be done by seller. Unloading to the vessel, either loading to the vessel will be done by seller. Carriage of sea will be done by seller. And here we can see the difference as highlighted. Insurance will be paid by buyer, and the further activities: unloading in the port of import, unloading, loading to the truck in the port of import, that is negotiable, can be done by seller or buyer. And further activities: carriage paid to the place of destination will be seller, paid by seller, and import, custom clearance and unloading at the destination point, these responsibilities will be done by buyer. I hope from this picture the concept and the difference in activities will be very clear, as in above examples or in above rows: EXW, FCA, FAS, FOB and CPT. These are the differences with respect to the activities that are performed in the Incoterm process, and we can understand the difference in CPT and other above categories, how they can differentiate from each another. Hope the concept will be clear. I hope you will understand the concept. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.